Okay, we're going to do an unboxing and review of the Geniani 3-liter humidifier, ultrasonic cooled mist. Just received this, and let's see how we unbox it. Okay, let's just open the box up, and we got looks like some instructions and a registration card. It looks like we also have pretty secure packing in here. And there's the unit. I'm going to probably stop the unboxing and pull it out using my 2 hands, and I'll be right back to you. Okay, it's out of the box, still in its plastic container, and it's pretty stylish. This is the knob for controlling it, turning it on. And of course the outlets are in the back, and it should fit in a nice small spot. We have a small spot in the bedroom, so it should fit nicely there. Okay, we're back, and I've taken the plastic off. It has a control here. It looks like I have to read the instructions, but it looks pretty easy adjustment. This button here is to turn the night light on and off. And basically the top comes off like this. Looks like you fill it from the bottom like a lot of these units, and then put it back in. One of the nice things about this is that there's no filter to worry about. This also has an adjustment here to redirect where the steam will be coming. It looks like this also can be taken off to get, I guess, the handle to pull it up and make it a little easier to take off, which is also a nice feature. Okay, and let's see how it works. Okay, we have the humidifier set up, and haven't filled it up with water, but it fits very nicely in a relatively small location we have here on the bedroom dresser. And the next step will be to fill the water up, and basically take this lid off. It reveals a nice little handle, and then we're gonna go somewhere and fill it up. We have this again, you fill it from the bottom. I think this is worth showing. The previous humidifier that we had a bigger tank than 3 liters. However, it was too big to fit under the bedroom faucet, and this one fits easily under the faucet. So it's very easy to fill it up in the bathroom sink, rather than have to fill it up in a bathtub or something like that to get enough room to actually put it under the faucet. That's one other little plus of this unit. Okay, the water reservoir is put back on the humidifier, and we're going to put the top on here, and we're going to see how it works. And if you can see here, immediately starts producing mist. And let's see if we can vary the amount here. Yes, you can turn it down so it's a very little amount, or you can crank it up to full speed, and there's a lot more that comes out. Okay, if you look at the bottom here, the little green light indicates that it's running. When the reservoir runs out of water, that will turn red to let you know it needs to be refilled. And also, let's try the nightlight. Yep, we have a little nightlight here. By pushing this, you can turn it on and off. Okay, so far I'm very satisfied with this, and we'll try it out tonight and see how it works as far as humidifying the bedroom. Okay, so we've run the humidifier overnight. It did work very nicely. We didn't quite fill it up to the brim before we went to bed, and it still has some water 12 hours later. So definitely, at least on the lowest setting, it gets easily gets 12 hours for misting. The other thing I want to show you is down here. This is a little hygrometer that we have. Before, this was actually on the left side. It was below the optimum comfort zone, and so now it's back in the black area, which is the best amount of humidity. Not too little, not too much. So it definitely has helped. The room is about 12 feet by 15 feet, the bedroom that's in. So it does cover pretty much the whole that whole area. Certainly not a whole house humidifier, but definitely a nice room humidifier. The little green light here, there's no way to turn that off at night, so it's going to be on. Initially, I thought maybe it would be a little too bright in a darkened room. Some people may find it that way, but a quick fix is to simply take a little bit of tape, electrical tape, and put it over it. They do sell white electrical tape, so you could match the white base using that type of tape. There have been some reviews that said it gurgles. It does gurgle from time to time as the water is filling the reservoir. However, I didn't find it disturbing at night. It did not wake me up, but when I had during the night when I did wake up, I did hear it gurgle. So that's another thing to keep in mind. A couple other things too. You know, this does have a night light that comes on or off here. We left it off. I'm thinking it might be a little too bright for some people, but certainly it's nice you can turn it on and off. Okay, other than that, really, you know, I think we're very pleased with this, particularly since it's a very small size. It's easy to remove the reservoir and put it under a bathroom sink faucet. Fits easily under there, and also it's you know, with being 3 liters, when you fill it up with water, it's not actually too heavy to carry back to the unit. Okay, I definitely would give a thumbs up on this, and I hope this review is helpful. Bye-bye.